Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In today's new COZ introduces native cross-chain swap functionality in Neon Wallet. COZ has announced the introduction of native cross-chain swap functionality in the Neon Wallet, enhancing the user experience with in-wallet token swaps across blockchain protocols. This innovative feature is powered by SimpleSwap, a platform that aggregates various exchanges to identify the most profitable exchange rates, providing access to over 1,000 cryptocurrency and fiat currencies. The cross-chain swap feature in Neon Wallet enables users to execute swaps and monitor the process directly within the wallet interface. This streamlined process eliminates the need to switch between platforms and exchanges, making it more convenient and efficient for users to manage their assets. Neon Wallet currently supports Neo N3, Neo X, Neo Legacy, and Ethereum networks. However, COZ has plans to expand support to additional networks, including Base, Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Optimism, and Polygon in the future. COZ has also introduced a new skin feature in Neon Wallet, allowing users to personalize their account card skins. Users can unlock exclusive skins by holding specific NFTs in their wallet. Currently, users who hold a naughty or nice gift from Neo or a puppet from COZ can access exclusive skins. The cross-chain swap feature is now available on desktop and Android versions of Neon Wallet, with iOS compatibility expected to launch soon. Users can stay up to date with the latest developments and updates by visiting the COZ website. The introduction of native cross-chain swap functionality and customization options in Neon Wallet marks a significant milestone in the evolution of wallet management. With its user-centric approach and commitment to innovation, COZ is redefining the standards for digital asset management.